Looking for the right Bosch jigsaw and not sure which one is actually worth your money? In this ranking, I'm going from the weakest option to the strongest one, so by the end you'll know exactly which model makes the most sense for your kind of work. In last place, we have the JS470E. And I'll say it right away, this is not a bad tool. It's simply the most basic one in this group. If you just need a simple corded jigsaw for occasional cuts, it does the job, but once you compare it with the others here, you can feel that it sits a step lower. What it does well is keep things simple. You still get variable speed, tool-free blade changes, 4 orbital settings, and a solid steel footplate. For basic woodcuts, light weekend projects, and general home use, that can be enough. In my experience, this is the kind of saw that makes sense when you just want something straightforward without paying for extras you may never use. But here's the problem. It has the weakest motor in this lineup at 6.0 amps and the shortest stroke at 3/4 of an inch, and that matters more than it sounds. On paper, the difference does not look huge, but in real use it usually means slower cutting and less confidence in thicker material. It also misses the more premium feel you get from the higher models with die-cast bases, better cutting strength, and more advanced features. So this one is best for casual users, not demanding users. If you just want an entry point into Bosch jigsaws, it can work. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. But if you want a noticeable step up in power and overall feel, the next model already makes that pretty clear. Next up is the JS470E, and this is where the lineup starts to feel much more serious. Compared with the model before it, this one immediately looks like a stronger and more complete tool. It is still corded and still easy to understand, but now you get performance that feels much closer to what regular users, and even demanding hobbyists actually want. The big jump here is the stronger 7.0 amp motor and the full 1-inch stroke. That gives it more cutting authority, and you also get better stated cutting capacity in wood, aluminum, and mild steel. On top of that, Bosch adds constant response, low vibration behavior, a die-cast aluminum footplate with steel insert, dust blowing, and dust collection support. So compared with the JS470E, this one feels more planted, more capable, and more polished. Still, it is not perfect. There is no LED light, bevel changes need a wrench, and some users may not love the top handle feel for tighter, more controlled work. That is where the barrel grip version, later in the ranking, starts to make more sense. So yes, this one is clearly stronger than the entry model, but it still gives up a bit in finesse and modern convenience. If you want a solid all-around corded jigsaw with good power and fewer compromises, this is a strong pick. It makes a lot of sense for home shops and regular project work. And if this ranking is helping you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you care even more about precision and control, the next one gets more interesting. Now we get to the JS470EB, and this is where things become more about feel than raw numbers. Because on paper, it is very close to the previous model. Same motor class, same stroke length, similar cutting capacity. But in practice, the barrel grip design changes the whole experience. What I like here is the control. For curved cuts, detailed work, and situations where you want the tool to feel lower and more connected to the material, this design can be a real advantage. Bosch also keeps the strong motor, low vibration action, tool-free blade change, and sturdy die-cast base. So compared with the regular top handle version, this one feels more focused and more precise. The trade-off is that it is a little heavier, and not everyone likes barrel grip tools right away. There is also still no LED light, and bevel changes still need a wrench. So while it feels better for precision, it does not really move ahead in modern features. That becomes obvious once we get into the cordless, brushless models. For users who care about handling more than convenience, this is a very smart choice. If your work includes cleaner curves or more controlled cuts, this one will likely feel better in the hand. But if you want more freedom to move and more up-to-date features, the next model starts pulling ahead. In second place, we have the GST18V-50BN. And yes, this is where the ranking makes a bigger jump. Moving from corded to cordless is one thing, but moving to a lighter brushless barrel grip saw with a higher top speed makes this model feel much more current. You get 3,500 strokes per minute, a 1-inch stroke, 4 orbital settings, an LED light dust blower, and a die-cast aluminum footplate with overshoe. For me, the big story is the combination of mobility and control. It keeps the barrel grip handling that many people love for accuracy, but now you are not tied to a cord. That makes a real difference when you are moving around a bench, a job site, or a sheet of material. But there are a few things to know. Battery and charger are not included, and there is no case either. It also does not have a variable speed trigger, which some people will miss right away. Speed is controlled by a dial, and compared with the number 1 model, that makes it feel a little less natural in fast-changing cuts. So, who is this for? If you want a modern cordless jigsaw with strong control and a compact feel, this is a very convincing option. It is especially attractive if you already like barrel grip tools. But if you want the most flexible control setup in this group, the last model edges it out. And in first place, the GST18V-50N. What pushes it to the top is not some huge gap in raw power, it's the balance. This one combines strong cordless performance with the kind of control that feels easy and familiar right away. You still get the brushless motor, the 3,500 SPM top speed, the 1-inch stroke, 4 orbital settings, LED light, dust blower, and solid die-cast base. So the core performance is right there with the barrel grip cordless model. But now you also get a variable speed trigger, and that makes the saw feel more intuitive in everyday use. If you've ever wanted to ease into a cut instead of jumping straight into it, you'll know why that matters. It is not perfect either. Battery and charger are not included, and there is no case in the box. Also, some people will still prefer the lower feel of a barrel grip design for tight, detailed work. So this is not automatically better for every single user. It is just the most complete overall package for the widest range of people. If you want one model here that feels modern, capable, and easy to live with, this is the one I would put at the top. It gives you strong performance, cordless freedom, and the most broadly useful control setup in this ranking. And that is why it finishes first. Check the links in the description under the video if you want to look at the top models more closely and compare prices. And if this review helped you narrow it down, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.